Lovely early start. We've had snow this morning. The elements have been against us. It's absolutely freezing, but we're cracking on. Can't really see what we're doing, but we think it's going to turn out great. But anyway, concrete's here. The team's here. We're ready to rock and roll. Stay tuned. Here we go. It's in. It's coloured up. Ready to go. Well, second coat of colours on there. It's getting ready to trowel that one in. So she's going quite smoothly today. Quite a big area. It's a long, narrow area. It's about, well, I think about 90 metres this one. So it's coming nice. Looking forward to seeing this one in and done. A few guys here on work experience and training, doing some on-site training today. So stay tuned on this one. It's going to be beautiful. Looking beautiful. Very nice print on this. So pleased it's done. Done this one probably about 15 years ago. Nice imprint on this one, so it's a nice one to come and show the customers. Anyway, come out beautiful. Very nice print all the way up. Change the orientation up on the pathway a little bit. Come out beautiful. There we go.